Want to know how to log into your FirstBank account? You would want to log into your FirstBank account to view your account details like balance, transaction history, and statements, or even to perform actions like payments. Hello everyone, I'm Jasmine from Online Help Guide, and today I'm going to walk you through the process of how to log into your FirstBank account. It's pretty simple and quick, so let's get started with the video. Firstly, tap on the Chrome on your screen. Now tap on the search bar at the top. Here search for the FirstBank login. Tap on the first search result and this will take you to the official site of the FirstBank. Now you will need to enter your username and password to log in. Here you can also choose the type of the account you want to log into by tapping on the down arrow button right below the password. In addition to that, for easy login process in the future, you can also tap on the Remember User ID option right below the login. However, it is not recommended in public computer or shared device. Finally, tap on the Login button. So this is how you can log into your FirstBank account. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.